A100 final exam questi ons AD. Answers with verified solutions. 100% correct. Who is primarily responsible for the information provided in the financial statements? Answer heavy check mark, company top management. What describes the primary objective of financial accounting? Answer heavy check mark 2. Provide useful information about a business to help external parties make decisions. About investments. What does GAAP stand for? Answer heavy check mark, generally accepted accounting principles. For accounting information to be useful, it must be faithful, representation, and relevant. What is the purpose of an audit? Answer heavy check mark, to lend credibility to an entity's financial statements. What is considered to be an expense on the income statement? Answer heavy check mark, cost of goods sold. Which of the following correctly describes the various financial statements? Answer heavy check mark, the income sheet is a financial statement that covers a period of time. 1/2. Which financial statement would you utilize to determine whether a company will be able to pay liabilities within 30 days? Answer heavy check mark, the income statement. At the beginning of 2020, a corporation had assets of $270,000 and liabilities of $160,000. During 2020, assets increased $25,000 and liabilities increased $5,000. What was stockholders' equity at December 31st, 2020? Answer heavy check mark 130,000. Which of the following would not be reported in the operating activities section of a cash flow statement? Answer heavy check mark, cash paid for dividends to stockholders. Sites Trucking's retained earnings increased $20,000 during the current year. What was Sites Trucking's current year net income or loss, given that Sites Trucking declared $25,000 of dividends during this year? Answer heavy check mark, net income was $45,000. A company purchase supplies for cash, which will be consumed during future months. Which of the following correctly describes the impact of the supplies purchase on the financial statements? Answer heavy check mark, total assets will remain unchanged. Recognizing an expense may be accompanied by which of the following? Answer heavy check mark, a decrease in assets. Which of the following transactions will result in an increase in operating income? As the date of the transaction? Answer heavy check mark, providing a service to a customer on account. Hoosier Comp in New York experienced an accounting event that affected its financial statements as indicated below. Powered by TCPDF, www.tcpdf.org. 2/2.